Welcome to Libertex. Silver is one of the most attention-grabbing assets projected to have a great year in 2021. Silver prices shot up nearly 20% in just a month's time going into January of 2021, and the momentum continued with a stunning 4% spike to kick off the market open for the new year, trading slightly above the $27 an ounce mark, its best level since September of 2020. Our silver forecast will cover whether or not silver is bound for a pullback. This is the question we'll be getting into in this video, along with what to expect for silver in 2021, along with the key influences affecting the prices of silver for stronger trades. Stay until the end for technical analysis as we examine the charts so that you know exactly what to watch out for to develop your positions with silver moving forward. So without further ado, let's get into it. Silver is having a phenomenal start to the new year. The US dollar, not so much. The price of silver runs inverse to the US dollar, and what is positive for one is usually negative for the other. From what can be seen so far, the scales are tilted in silver's favor. With an approved stimulus deal, a Democratic Senate that could increase the potential for more talks down the road, the US dollar has dropped in value. Stimulus deals increase inflation, which bring dollar values down. These rising expectations for inflation have helped keep US yields at record 2.5-year lows, which further strengthens the prices of silver. When there's an increase of money being printed, silver prices rise. These are significant catalysts for the increased strength silver has shown to start 2021, as traders increase positions in traditional haven assets, but there are also more. In addition, positive news surrounding the COVID vaccine is good news for silver prices. If the world normalizes, business operations will increase, and silver's industrial applications will be likely to grow, which could translate into a price climb to previous highs or beyond. It's no secret that since the start of the pandemic, massive amounts of money have been rolled into precious metals as safe haven assets, namely gold and silver. The recent developments only make things more interesting. Let's go ahead and pull up the charts and take a closer look at how silver is performing to start the new year. Okay, so we're now in the Libertex terminal looking at the price chart for silver for the past year. Doing technical analysis through Libertex is very easy to do. It gives you tons of options, indicators, oscillators, different comparison tools. You could plot lines, etc. As you see here, we have the RSI, we have the awesome oscillator below to give us even more information about what we're looking at. So, looking at silver, you can see that since mid-September to the beginning of December, silver was trading sideways. Lots and lots of support around this $22, $23 range that it was fluctuating between. And then starting December, we experienced this massive 20 to 25% run up until current levels standing at December 7th. Now, let's just talk about this for a second. The drop in price on December 6th, I do not attribute this to silver suddenly or intrinsically losing value. Instead, I'm interpreting this as an overdue price correction. Keep in mind, after a major run-up like this, you're talking 20, 25%, silver was bound for a pullback. But getting in between the current levels, or if it continues to be on the downside until 26 or the mid 25s, if you can catch it there, in my opinion, this is a great opportunity to build out a position for silver because I anticipate there will be a lot of upward momentum in the coming weeks and months as the Democrats now have control of the Senate. It's more likely that there will be increased positive sentiment around another round of stimulus. COVID vaccination sentiment is continuing to ramp up. So there are a lot of developments that could potentially increase government spending and therefore increase the value of silver to hedge against inflation going forward. And I do think that in the short to midterm, silver could see a price target in the low 30s. So that's something I would be looking forward to if I can establish a position either where it's at now or if I can catch it slightly below. Also, just taking a look at the RSI indicator, it certainly was overextended, especially leading up to December 6th, which is an indicator that this rally right here was starting to lose steam. So I do think it could drop a bit farther. However, at the current level it's sitting at, or slightly below, I do think this is a good area to build out a position. Just looking back, we do have some resistance levels around the high 27s, low 28s. So if it does manage to get up, there will probably, hopefully, be some consolidation in the short term before breaking out and going up to where I see it going as this low $30 price target range. A potential breakout to $40 and beyond? We'll see, but looking ahead at the period of relative consolidation from September to December could even hint at institutional players coming in ahead of a bet that silver will rally throughout 2021. If you found any value in this video, we'd greatly appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our channel, create a free account at Libertex.com or via the links in the description, and make sure to share your trades in the comments section. We read them all. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this update on silver and wish you luck with your trades into the new year. Trade for more with Libertex, and see you next time.